Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Mouseflow. Have you ever wondered why your website is not converting, you're not getting a lot of sales? Or have you ever wondered why persons are not staying long on your website and reading your blogs? Well, with Mouseflow, you'll be able to see why, and you'll be able to improve your website user interface. As Mouseflow is a platform that you can install on your website, and from there you'll be able to view the heat map, which means that you'll be able to see how persons move the mouse and which pages they are clicking on, which links they are clicking on, and in turn which products they are purchasing or which products they are overlooking. So you'll be able to improve your website and how persons interact with it. In turn, persons will stay longer on your website and get to read the content that you produce, and persons in turn will also make more purchases if you're running an e-commerce website or if you're running an affiliate website. To get started with Mouseflow, you can try out their free plan. With their free plan, you will be able to get up to 500 recordings per month. You can install it on one website and you'll get 1 month of storage and unlimited page views. If in the future you like their platform and you would like to go onto their paid plan, you can go on it from $31 per month. And if you have more than one website and you would like to install this software on it, or better yet, this platform on it, you can do that with the $109 plan right here. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard like this. Once on this dashboard, all you'll need to do is tap on Add New Site. After you have tapped on Add New Site, you're going to put in your website name, just like you see right here, the domain name, www.website.com. So for example, I could go here, I would copy this, the URL, go back onto Mouseflow, and I'm going to paste it right here. After you have pasted it right here, you're going to delete the first section and you're going to type in www.com. Then you will select the website type, and you can select the website type right here from the drop down menu option. Now after you have tapped on add, you will be redirected to a new page. And on this new page, you're going to see this option. You're going to tap on WordPress. Then you're going to see a code to copy. All you'll need to do is simply go back into WordPress, and you want to go back on your admin page. Once on your admin page, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option. You're going to hover over plugins and you're going to tap on add new. After you have tapped on add new, I want you to tap right where you see search plugins and you're going to type in Mouseflow. After you have typed in Mouseflow, let me do that real quick. Once you have typed in Mouseflow, you're going to simply add Mouseflow and you're going to tap on activate. After you have tapped on activate, you will be redirected to the Mouseflow dashboard and you're going to see tracking code. You're going to tap on that. Now to install the tracking code, all you'll need to do is right where you see insert type right here. You'll simply tap at the top, then you're going to tap on space on your keyboard. Once it is empty, you're going to tap on save changes. After you have done that, you're going to tap on it once more and you'll simply right click and you're going to install the code that you had copied from Mouseflow. After you have done that, you will see tracking code installed. Once it has been installed, all you'll need to do now, you could go back onto Mouseflow and you are going to give it a few hours, but for the sake of time, I will continue doing this tutorial, but you are going to see not installed for a while until you finally see that it has been installed. So after you have done that, all you'll need to do, you can see your code is installed and working. So it has finally been installed right there. Now just activate tracking to start seeing data. So you can tap on activate tracking. Once you have tapped on activate tracking, and as I said earlier, it is going to take a few minutes to 1 hour for it to activate. All you'll need to do is enter your full name right here. Then you'll tap on confirm and activate. So let me do that real quick. tap on confirm and activate tracking. After you have done that, you can see you're now recording. So it will start recording how persons interact with my pages, as you can see right there. So let's close out of it. After you have closed out of it, you can see that the dashboard is being refreshed, and it will show the recordings for the last 7 days. So if you tap right where you see data available, it will carry you to this dashboard right here. And from here, you can add more websites if you go onto their paid plan by tapping in the top right hand corner, and you'll be able to view the recordings right here for the last 7 days. And remember that it will be saving the recording for up to 30 days. So you can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on recording, and from there you'll be able to view all the recording. And you can also view the heat maps, which will show you how persons are moving their mouse once they're on your website. So as you can see right there, you can view the clicks, you can view the movements, scroll, meaning the countries that per visit. So you can view all of these options using Mouseflow. And if you would like to create funnels or forms, you can also do that. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.